Yo, YouTube, welcome back to another trade recap of the day. Today is March 30th, 2026. We're coming to an end of quarter one of the first year, 2026. Super excited, super jacked for obviously quarter two to start. Happy with my results for quarter one. Obviously, could do a lot better. But let's jump straight right into this trade recap for the day. Honestly, in the morning we had some price action, right? So price action was just pretty much dumping the whole morning. I did end up waking a little bit late today. I didn't take a trade in the morning. I kind of waited for the markets to kind of play out and all of that type of stuff. But coming into the morning, we did end up taking sweeping out these 15-minute lows right here, and we ended up keeping dumping. So I thought we were gonna, once we took out this 15-minute low, I thought we were gonna reverse and go higher, but obviously we had clear displacement lower, so I didn't think we were gonna go higher anytime soon. Eventually, during the rest of the day though, we did ended up pushing higher a little bit, tapping into this 15-minute gap right here, and then kind of dumped right after that. So I knew it was a strong rejection point. So I pretty much created like an order block, or like a rejection block is what people call it in some of their strategies. But regardless of the point, we ended up coming up again. We did not end up sweeping these lows right here. So I know these were strong lows that we wanted to take out. But I guess Nasdaq was precise, or I guess very persistent on trying to take out these highs. So kind of waited for this market to let play out a little bit. We ended up coming really close to these draws. I was waiting for us to take these draws inside this 15-minute and leave an SMT with ES, but we did not end up doing that. So we ended up keeping displacing lower, and then coming into the 1150 macro, we kept dumping and dumping. And then once I seen clear displacement lower, I waited for this reimbalance into this displacement right here, to end up taking this trade. So I ended up taking this trade for 46 points. I ended up entering with one contract and added another contract eventually. So I ended up going in with two minis for 46 points, banging 1500 on the day. But it was a super smooth setup. Honestly, it wasn't too bad. After we displaced lower, I waited for this reimbalance into this displacement, and into the civvy right here. And then once we displaced lower, I knew that we were gonna keep displacing lower. I thought we were gonna take these lows and then push higher, but Nasdaq was clearly just displacing, and we ended up flipping a 5-minute gap too, right here. Yeah, it was a very small 5-minute gap that we ended up flipping right here. But point is, this was a trade that I took right here. Ended up targeting these lows right here, but really I just took it right here because obviously you can't go over 1500 on a day. But I'm gonna show you the results on my trade C. So this was the trade eventually that I took. As you can see, I entered with one contract. I ended up adding another contract right around 23,352.50. I ended up taking full TP right here at 322.50 right here. So right at these lows right here. Market obviously ended up dumping right after. But that's pretty much my trade for the day. As you can see, the P&L right here for the day. Account balance. This is a fresh new EVA that I got with Lucid. But hey, clean way to start off the week. Super excited for what's next. Hopefully we see some better price action. Honestly, we just dumped and that's pretty much about it. But this is pretty much the trade recap for the day. If you guys enjoyed it, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys have any questions, again, make sure to leave them down below in the comment section. But hey, can't wait to enjoy this journey of profitability, and I'll see you guys in the next trade recap. Peace.